Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update, Thursday, March the 12th. Apologize for the past couple weeks, been a little bit busy, but we're back. This week we're going to be opening quite a few boxes, and it's going to have a couple from past few weeks as well, so some of these items may already be on the website. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Everything that's been opened that I can find will be linked in the description below, so go click on all those links and check everything out. Be sure to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell next to the subscribe button so you get notified when we upload. And we'll see you next week.